Hey guys, Jason Guyman here, and today I want to talk to you a little bit about a battery size. I've seen this question come up several times, and so I wanted to talk to you about the different size batteries. And the way we work our battery is it runs our pressure washer, and it also we use it for our soft wash system or our 12-volt system. And basically, our pressure washer will keep it charged up, and we use that for our battery. Now, you say, well, it's just a battery, we're just going to put a battery. That's not really true. We want to use a deep cycle battery, which is also known as, if you go to a store, it is known as a marine battery. And a marine battery is actually designed, it's a lead-based battery, and it's actually designed to allow deep discharges to, and then you're able to charge it back up. A car battery is not designed to go be discharged a bunch, or it will die. That will kill that battery. Where a marine battery is designed to be fully discharged and charged back up with no issue. Now, we do use the 27 series of the marine battery, and it's 1,000-volt cranking amp. I try to get as big as batteries I can that actually fits in that battery box, so that way I can mount a battery box on the truck so it will be able to run my pressure washers, run my 12-volt, it runs my hose reels, and the whole 9 yards. And I never have a problem with it. I did have this past, actually it wasn't this year, it was last year. I had a battery that wouldn't keep, it would die over time. And what I found out is my pressure washer actually wasn't charging it. I didn't have the rectifier on it, so I had to, or whatever it does to charge it, so I had to actually put that on it to make sure that it can charge it. But running 4 trucks, that's the only problem I've ever had of a battery going dead on me. In basically 4 trucks in all these years, the biggest batteries I can get, and that battery will usually last about 3 years is what I've usually been getting out of them. I might get 4, but I don't want to, I'd rather just switch them out at 3 and know that I have a brand new battery and not worrying about a battery that's going to go dead in my 4th year. So I do try to change out my batteries every 3 years, so that way I know I'm not worried about that battery going bad in that 4th year. And I've never had a problem yet. So I hope that helps you out. I hope you, if you need anything, any help, please comment below. I really do. I read every comment. I try to respond to every comment. And so I would really appreciate if you would comment below. Thank you. And if you would like to learn about pressure washing, check out my playlist up here. And if you would like to learn a business in the wintertime, check out my Christmas light video. I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you and have a great day.